Sara Labati, binasag na ang katahimikan sa larawang kumakalat na may kasama siyang foreigner. Matatandaan na nag-viral ang isang larawan na sinasabing si Sara Labati na may kasamang lalaki na foreigner. Ngayon ay binasag na ni Sara ang kanyang katahimikan at inaming siya ang babae sa larawan. Ayon sa kanya, ito ay sa Hong Kong at nagpunta siya doon para ma-experience ang art at mag-travel sa nasabing lugar. And that photo circulating around is my friend. I visited Hong Kong and met up with different friends. Dagdag pa niya. Is it unfair? Is it bothering me now? It takes a lot more for something to bother me now. But I think, as a woman, we're all allowed to have guy friends. But again, it's okay to speculate because again, I'm single and it's part of this whole new thing. Hirit ni Sara.